Hey, Moondog here with a presentation clicker in my hand. Why am I presenting a presentation clicker? Well, it's because this is a gadget that I picked up recently on Amazon and I found actually very useful. I was giving a presentation to my rifle club on range safety, and this actually came very useful when talking to a room, especially with everybody spaced out due to COVID. It has all the required and really necessary buttons that you would ever need in a presentation clicker. A forward, back, home button, and this very useful orange button here, which is a laser pointer. Now, if you've ever given a presentation or if you've ever worked in the corporate or business world, you've used a clicker before, probably not one this small and svelte. This is about the size of a Sharpie. Usually the ones I've used in business boardrooms, usually they're fairly large, like about the size of a desktop stapler. Usually the Logitech model is, looked like an elongated mouse and had like 8 different buttons, and the deluxe models often had the laser pointer with a trigger, whatever. And I miss the days when Apple used to include these little white remotes. They function via infrared, but you could at least hit play or pause and forward and back, but they don't include those accessories with their computers nowadays. So this is great that this is available. And this thing cost me less than 50 bucks. So for that kind of price range, for this kind of usefulness, it's a no-brainer. I picked this thing up. It connects via Bluetooth, and it comes with its own little dongle. So you plug this into your computer, and it's USB, but it's also a little bit future-proof because it's also on the other side, on the flip side, it's USB-C. So yeah, it'll fit into the newer model Mac Minis and MacBook Airs, or your Android devices that use USB-C. So yes, it has that. It has the laser pointer, and let me show you what else you get when you order one of these. Okay, so let's see what you get. A rather plain looking white cardboard box with the name Wireless Presenter and the brand name Dino. Very early 1990s logo design there. But let's see what's inside. You get kind of a gift box, kind of even plainer white box. Inside that is the device itself. It is about the size of a Sharpie, I would say. It works off of a single AAA battery, which we'll put in now. And you can just check to see if it's functioning by turning the on switch on the side there. There you go. Yep, definitely working. And we can check to see, yep, laser pointer is working. So what this is doing is actually, when you turn it on, it is looking for the USB dongle and syncing up via Bluetooth. The dongle itself is actually kept inside the unit itself in a little handy compartment there. It has a standard large USB as well as a USB-C end, so either end works, and it is somewhat future-proof that way. And it just slides in there and is kept all in one unit. There's a nice little pouch that they include with it. There is instructions in English on how to use it, as well as instructions on the other side on how to sync it up with your dialog boxes, whether you're on a PC or Mac. Because this device functions or imitates a keyboard, so you're just basically going to follow the same install process as you would if you were to install a third-party keyboard to your device. And it has a little thank you card. They want you to give them a positive review, which I will, because this is functioning very well, and a warranty card in English and Chinese. So there you go. Let's see how it actually does function. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this thing works. First, you take out your USB dongle, and it's great as it has the standard old school USB A/B large connector, or if you are using a new device like the new MacBook Airs or a Android device, this has USB-C. So you just plug it into your device, and the first time you do, it'll probably show you a little screen that tells you that you've plugged in a keyboard, and then ask you through the dialog box what kind of keyboard it is, if what language, etc. And that's because this device functions, or at least imitates, a keyboard. The buttons on the device are equivalent to your page up and page down buttons on your keyboard, as well as a double click key, which is the square. And just sort of a little unintuitively, when you do cycle through the slides, the down button is actually next slide, or forward, and the up button is actually your back button. So to me that's a little unintuitive, but I guess it makes sense if you're looking at your slide deck vertically. It makes sense in that respect. So I'll just show you how it works. You just press down, next slide down, and if you want to go back, there you go. And it also has a volume control button, which I think is really useful when you're giving a presentation. So you can adjust your volume if the media that you're playing is too loud. And this button is the sort of double click button. So if you had like an embedded video inside of your slide, you could just activate it using that button, and then again adjust the volume. There you go. And just make sure that you turn the unit on. That's kind of should be somewhat obvious, but maybe not. That if you don't have it turned on, it's not going to work. So anyway, just have it on. So there you go. A very working presentation clicker that is very simple and inexpensive, and works very well. And if you're interested in picking up one of these, I'll include a link on Amazon for you to pick one up. Don't know what they're currently going for now, but they are very inexpensive, very affordable. And whatever price you pay on Amazon or through that link, please use that link. It helps support this channel, and you're going to pay whatever the price is on Amazon. So you're not getting upcharged in any way, but you are helping support this channel. Again, thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, please hit the like button. Thanks. Moondog out.
Hey, if you like this video, please share it on social media. Facebook, forums, MeWe, whatever platform you're on. And if you want to see more videos, check out moondogindustries.com.